Mother Teresa's timeline on tram line. Yes, this is a tram car in Kolkata, India, where this tram flies between Gariahat and Esplanade, as all you know, Dharmatalla. Oh, what a lovely scene here! The timeline of Mother Teresa Boyachiu. Yes, she is being displayed here. Now, first of all, we go through the timeline of Mother Teresa's Boyachiu, which is being displayed here in a tram car which runs on a tram line, and this is the timeline of Mother Teresa Boyachiu, born on August 26 in 1910, and when she was 18 years old, 1928, she left home at the age of 18 to join the Sister of Loreto, Ireland. Yes, she joined the Sister of Loreto, Ireland in 1928 at the age of 18, and in 1929, Mother Teresa Boyachiu arrived in India, in Darjeeling, and began her that novitiate. Yes, she began services here, human services, and in 1931, on May 24, that Mother Teresa took her first religious vows as a nun, and to be named Teresa. Yes, Boyachiu, Mother Teresa Boyachiu, Mary Teresa Boyachiu became Teresa as a nun. In 1950, on October 7, she received Vatican permission to start Missionaries of Charity. Yes, she got the permission on October the 7th in 1950. And in 1979, she received the Nobel Prize for Peace. Yes, Nobel laureate Mother Teresa. And in 1996, she operated 517 missions in over 100 countries. Yes, that was a remarkable of Mother Teresa, Mary Teresa Boyachiu, later known as Nun Teresa. And in 1997 she passed away. Yes, September the 5th day we all remember. She left us in 1997, and in 2003, yes, beautified as Blessed Teresa of Kolkata, now known as Kolkata. It was Calcutta, and we are moving into Dharmatalla, that green scenery outside of this tram car, which has a timeline of Mother Teresa Boyachiu in a tram line. Two compartments here in the tram car. This is the first compartment, and I left the first compartment and I'm going to the second compartment. And in 1997 she passed away, and in 2016 Pope Francis canonized her on 4th of September 2016 in St. Peter's Square, Vatican City, and she became saint. Yes, in 2016 she became saint. Now we have some quotes of Mother Teresa. As all you know, Mother Teresa, she says, let us not use bombs. Yes, let us not use bombs and guns to overcome world. Let us use love and compassion. Peace begins with a smile. Smile 5 times a day at someone you don't really want to be smiled at. Do it for peace. Saint Mother Teresa. Yes, Saint Teresa has another quote. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not come. We have only today. Yes, only today we have. Yesterday gone. Tomorrow has not come. Let us begin. Why not? Let us begin with love and compassion, says Mother Teresa. She was with Pope John Paul when he visited Kolkata. Kolkata, the lovely city of India, and a city which everyone knows as a city where love spreads all the way due to Mother Teresa and all people here. The Bengalis have welcomed Mother Teresa. Let us also follow her other quotes. Not all of us can do great things. Yes, not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Mother Teresa. Yes, Saint Teresa. Another quote, love is a fruit at season, at all times, and within reach of every hand. Yes, love is a fruit which can reach of every hand, Mother Teresa says. And the quote which I liked is, live simply so others may simply live. Yes, Saint Teresa says, live simply. Why do you spend so much money on this? And this is the tram car in which the timeline of Mother Teresa's is there inside the car. This is the second compartment of the tram car, which lies between Esplanade and Darya Hat, and the timeline of Mother Teresa is there inside the tram line. And this quote, yesterday is gone, tomorrow has not yet come, we have only today. Let's begin. Saint Mother Teresa.